Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, some life in there, and of course, lots of puppies. Although, as I said once before, they are all over one now, so maybe not puppies anymore, but they act like puppies. I'm Laura if you're new, and this is Willie with the crazy biter. And then we have Loki, this white puppy dog. And behind me, which you may not be able to see him, is Dexter. And once in a while, you'll see a kitty. His name's Harvey. I sure hope you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So it is Sunday morning, 54 degrees, kind of overcast outside. The time changed, right? So it's really 9 o'clock in the morning for me, but it's actually 10. And we have lots to do. I have some boxes behind me I want to get to for you all today. And, you know, it's my day to just try to organize myself. So I picked a comfortable outfit, as always. I have on Sanctuary pants. I have on I believe this one is Daydreamer. Let me see. Who makes this one? No, Let Love. This one is a Let Love t-shirt, a graphic tee, the Grateful Dead. Love this one. Got it in a Trendsend. Liverpool jacket that I got in a JB Stylebox. And for my shoes, these Sam Edelmans that I got quite some time ago, I believe at Nordstrom. I didn't put any jewelry on today. I just have on my permanent bracelets, the earrings I've been leaving in my ears, and that's about it because we've got lots to do. All right, so I hope your week is starting off amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. The sun is out, I love it. 62, getting up to 68, a bit windy, but so nice outside. My Wantable, so this one's called the Vacation Mode City Edit, posted today. I ended up keeping just 3 items. Overall, I thought it was a fun collection. The camo outfit, so the jacket as well as the pants. I thought the pants were too big, right? And I tried to size down, but they weren't available. So I sent both pieces back. I felt like the jacket was a bit oversized as well. So, and I have other camo jackets. So those all went back. So that's what led to me just keeping the 3. I kept the little yellow tank because I have a pair of pants that this goes with perfectly. So I kept the little tank. I kept the cardigan because it was Z Supply and I love a nice cozy neutral. And then I did keep the Lover Vet denim. I like these as a dark wash. I think they're really pretty. And they were comfortable. They were like so comfortable. So that's my keepers for that one. And then for my outfit today, I have on my Paige pants that I got in a Trendsend. Actually, all these pieces are from a Trendsend. My Paige pants, as well as this cute little Michael Stars top. Just came in my latest Trendsend. This is the Ever jean jacket from Evereve. So this also came in a Trendsend. And then for shoes, my Dolce Vitas that came in one of my very first early Trendsends. Love these. And then I typically don't talk much about my bags, but I wanted to remind you of my cute little Teddy Blake bag. This one is so fun. I shared it with you, I think a few weeks ago. Maybe it's been a couple months. This one is that beautiful croc design, the gold hardware. This one is called the Nina Croc. So 14 inches high, about 4.3 inches here at the bottom. It holds so much stuff. I have so much in here. That I just wanted to share in case you haven't checked out the Teddy Blake bags yet. They are made in Italy. They're 100% leather, suede interior, beautiful bags. They just remind me so much of the higher end bags, and they have beautiful bags that look like Hermes. The styles and shapes look like Hermes, and they're so pretty. But I have so much stuff in here, as you can see. I have my actual purses in here that I typically carry. So this is my purse that I typically am carrying. And then so whenever I have an appointment and I need a bunch more stuff, I'll sometimes serve just everything in here because I'm too lazy to pull stuff out of my purse. So I like to keep it intact. I have, of course, my cup. I have my sunglasses, and I have my iPad, but you could, and my purse. So you could fit so much more in here. Sometimes I'll just pull out my wallet and take it. It does have this adorable zipper here at the top as well. So you have more ways in which you can put things into a place where you can easily find them again. So such a beautiful bag that I wanted to just remind you, because right now Teddy Blake is having some amazing sales. So they have 2 sales going on. They have the Women's Day sale that's running from March 6th to March 18th. I'm going to try to get this posted for you on Sunday, so you'll have still a few more days of that sale. But overlapping it is the spring sale, which is going to go from the 13th to the 28th. It's like up to 45% off. All kinds of amazing deals. I'll put my link down below so you can be sure to check them out. But super way to kind of elevate your bag game, right? So pretty. They have really adorable, like, smaller bags as well. So if you don't need a tote or you want a cute little crossbody, they have them all. They have everything. It's so worth a check out. All right, and that is my outfit today. For jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me and my bracelet stack. We're off to the races really, really early today. So it is about lunchtime and I've got to get back to it. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It's pretty late in the day. It's been a day, man. So yeah, it's almost 5 o'clock. The sun is out today, but now it's in. So it looks kind of dark out there for some reason. 72 degrees, that's the high. It was really nice. I was at my desk most of today, so it's really nice outside. My son had the door open for a while, and it just was really nice. The puppers are in their crates because they were misbehaving, which I just call it, let's do some quiet time so everybody can calm down. So they're enjoying quiet time. And for my outfit today, I have on Z Supply pants I got in a Trendsend. I have on a tank from White House Black Market with an Evereve sweater, also from a Trendsend. For my shoes, you may remember these Steve Maddens. They came, I got them during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And then I only have on the necklace my husband got me. I didn't do anything else today because I was in a hurry to get done for a meeting. So that's it. That's my outfit today. All right, I got to get back to it, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, hump day. I have Loki and Dexter in the room with me. It's windy outside, but warm. So 73 getting up to 76. I think this is going to be our warmest day before the temperatures start to plummet a bit. It feels really nice outside though. Even with the breeze, it feels nice. And my sweatpant jean, right? So the sweatpant jean video posted today. I focused on the Miramar by Rag & Bone, which I think are just the most amazing denim I've ever tried. I know that they are pricey, so I'm thinking I might try a dupe. I believe Halara and some other places have something similar. So let me know if you'd like to see that video, and I will get some dupes and see if I can't see if we can check out the quality and if they're the same. Definitely the price will be better, that's for sure. But please check out that video. Awesome, awesome pieces. And if you sign up for their text messages, you can get 20% off your first sale. So you don't have to pay at least full price. You'll get something off. But in honor of that video, I do have on my Rag & Bone today because I was excited when it posted. I was like, oh, that's what I'm going to wear tomorrow. I'm going to wear one of my Rag & Bone. So these I have on the Rag & Bone pull-on. They look like jeans, not jeans. They are like sweatpants, and they're amazing. Paired it with a LNA top that I got from a Trendsend. Put on my, it's warm out as I said, but I have my little cardigan from Z Supply. Do you not love this, from the All Day Knit collection? So it brings out the lighter blue and the striping of these jeans you're going to see. And then for shoes, I put on my Kork-Ease. I love these. I've had them for years. Got them in a trunk club once upon a time. And they are really amazing and I love them. For jewelry, I have on an Ana Luisa necklace, the necklace my husband got me, and that's it. We're ready to rock and roll for the day. All right, I'm going to get back to work, but I hope your week is going amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. Time for outfit of the day. 38 degrees outside and windy, so the temperatures are dropping from the highs before. Like 59 this morning, and it's just getting colder. So 32 degrees for the low, which I think will be tonight. So it does feel so much colder than it did yesterday. So for my outfit today, I think dressing for yesterday, but that's all right. I have on Pistola denim from Nordstrom. I have on a Evereve top from a Trendsend. Put on a gold belt from the Loft and my Dolce Vita little gold kitten heels. I love these. They're so cute. And my jewelry is my bracelet stack and my necklace my husband got me. And I was off to work I go. Well, I almost made it to Friday. I will see you then. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. The sun is out, 52 degrees. That's pretty much the high. It's super windy out, but the sun is out. So, and it's not terribly cold, so that's nice. Friday funny today, no video, just a story. So the pool is closed, right? The cover is on the pool. And the puppers love to walk over it. It's like the kind that's sort of trampoline-y, like, so it gives, right? During the winter, when the snow was on it, it was covered in ice, and they would walk over it as if there was no pool there. But what their favorite thing to do is to walk over it and push down in the middle and have the water come up through, and then they drink it. They want to drink the water, pool water. So Loki, it will do it. Dexter, when he walks on it, really sags down because he's got to be 40 plus pounds at this point. Willie likes to go on it and he'll like prance, and they love that water, like peeks up through it. I haven't been able to get shit on film, but I'll try. But yeah, that's one of their favorite things to do. So I'm always telling them to get off the pool because I don't want them drinking pool water. So we're always, and then I'm chasing them, right? So it's always a good time. It's always a good time. For my outfit today, I have on, I wore Miramar earlier this week. Those were a newer pair from my sweatpant video that I shared with you. This is an older pair, one of the first pair that I ever got. I'm pretty sure I got it in a Trendsend, these fun joggers. I absolutely love them in this darker wash. Paired them with a Z Supply top and a Thread and Supply jacket. And for shoes, I was trying these out because I wanted a really comfortable pair of shoes to take with me to a conference next week. There'll be a lot of walking. I want to make sure like I have an extra pair with me. I'm speaking for one of the days, so I need to dress up. And then I want to make sure that in case my feet start to hurt, I have a backup plan. So this is my backup plan. I was trying these out today. They're by Steve Madden. I'm loving the color contrast here. The different colored gold buckling. So the hardware is in, yeah, gold and silver, which I thought was fun. And then they're in this fun, really like neutral, fleshy color with that darker strap. So the cute little Mary Jane ballet shoe. So adorable. So I think these would be great. They'd even just fit in my tote bag. I could keep them in there just in case I have to change shoes out. So I'm going to give those a try today. And for jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me, and that's it. That's it. All right, I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is 40 degrees outside. Let's get up to, I think we're actually headed in the opposite directions. I think it's actually going to get cooler. Let me see here. No, 47 for a high today, so that's good. We'll take it. And then, and the sun is out, which I love because we've had some gray days. I thought it was going to get cooler, but it looks like it is going to get up to 47 before it goes back down again. So that works. And I was up early this morning to go get my hair done. And that was crazy because it usually takes me about 30 minutes to get there. It was an hour because we had all kinds of detours. There was storms that went through last night, branches down. It was crazy. So it was, it's been a busy morning already. My Front Door Fashion posted today, and I thought my stylist did a great job. I loved the Central Park West jacket. That was the favorite piece in the bunch. She was able to find that in the next size up. Yay, I love this jacket. So I am keeping that. I did keep the Dear John Fiona. I thought those were such a nice fit. And then I kept the Michael Stars jogger, which I also thought were a great fit. So those are the three I kept. I did want the light blue Michael Stars top. She's still searching to see if they have that in a smaller size. Otherwise, I'll find a different blue. So that was my front door fashion. And for today's outfit, I have on a Pistola denim from a Trendsend. I have a Pistola top from a Trendsend. I have a C Supply jacket that I also think is from a Trendsend, but these are jeans top are recent. The jacket is probably from 2 years ago. For shoes, I put on my Steve Madden Little Mules, got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale last year. And for jewelry, I just have on the necklace that my husband got me and my bracelet stack. And that's a wrap on this week's outfit of the day. As always, I'll put all of my outfits down below. I'll link directly to items that I can. I'll put the box links also, so in case you'd like to give any of those a try, as so many of these pieces do come from boxes. And I can't wait to hear what your favorite was this week. So please do comment down below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.